Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we are diving deep into the all-new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek, a compact SUV that's been a fan favorite for years, now reimagined with some exciting updates. Whether you're a long-time Subaru lover or just looking for your next adventure-ready vehicle, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get right into it. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek continues to build on its rugged reputation, blending off-road capability with everyday practicality. From the outside, you'll notice a more aggressive and modern design. Subaru has sharpened the body lines, added a wider front grille, and redesigned the headlights for a more athletic look. LED lighting now comes standard across all trims, and the wheel options range from 17 to 18 inches, depending on which version you go for. Under the hood, the 2026 Crosstrek offers two engine choices. The base models come with a 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine producing around 152 horsepower, while higher trims including the Sport and Limited get a more powerful 2.5-litre engine delivering 182 horsepower. All models feature Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which makes a huge difference when you're tackling rough terrain or dealing with harsh weather conditions. And yes, for those wondering, a Subaru continues to offer its excellent CVT, continuously variable transmission, which is smoother and slightly more responsive in this model. Fuel economy has also seen a minor improvement, with combined MPG figures sitting in the low to mid-30s depending on trim and driving conditions. Inside, the 2026 Crosstrek sees a noticeable upgrade in materials and tech. The cabin is quieter, more refined, and packed with features that today's drivers are looking for. The centerpiece is Subaru's new 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen, now standard on most trims. It controls everything from navigation and media to climate control, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and now wireless, by the way. Subaru has also focused heavily on safety. The 2026 Crosstrek comes equipped with the latest version of EyeSight, their advanced driver assistance system. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pre-collision braking, and a new wide-angle front camera for better pedestrian detection. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Comfort-wise, the Crosstrek doesn't disappoint. Seating is supportive, with optional power-adjustable front seats and available leather upholstery. Rear seat space is decent for the class, and the cargo area offers plenty of room for weekend getaways, groceries, or your furry friend. Fold the rear seats flat, and you get over 55 cubic feet of cargo space, here more than enough for outdoor gear or luggage for a road trip. On the road, the 2026 Crosstrek feels confident. The suspension has been tuned for better ride quality without sacrificing its off-road edge. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring a backcountry trail, it delivers a balanced, comfortable experience. Subaru has also improved cabin insulation, so wind and road noise are noticeably reduced. And here's something exciting, Subaru is also rumored to be working on a hybrid version of the Crosstrek for late 2026, which could offer even better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. That's something to keep an eye on if you're leaning toward an eco-friendly option. Pricing starts around $26,000 for the base trim and can go up to about $34,000 fully loaded. Given everything you're getting from the safety features to all-wheel drive and tech, it's still one of the best value propositions in the segment. So, who is the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek for? If you're someone who loves adventure but still needs a reliable daily driver, this SUV hits the sweet spot. It's rugged enough to handle the elements, refined enough for long drives, and smart enough to keep you connected and safe on the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments or what do you think of the new Crosstrek. And don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and updates just like this. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.